Is upgradability in a laptop something you look for? Probably not anymore, because in this day of razor thin machines, everything's soldered on here. The processor, the RAM, sometimes your hard drive or solid state or M2, whatever they have in these things today. But the issue with that is over time, it makes the machine probably useless unless you splurged and configured it top of the line at purchase, or if you have the skills to go in here and desolder equipment. And I was really thinking about this because earlier this week, I was upgrading my Lenovo T430. I had this machine since launch. It had an i5. I upgraded it to an i7, solid state hard drive, and maxed out the RAM. And by the way, the i7 I chose isn't even the fastest or most powerful that this machine can handle. So there's still room to upgrade this. This is an old machine. We can go back even older. I use that T430 almost every day. We can go to my T60, another machine I've had since launch. Again, I can upgrade this. I'm going to be doing a video on this in the future where I do a fresh install, solid state drive, max everything out, because these machines still have a lot of life in them. So given the option, if you could, because we can't do that too much anymore, if you could sacrifice a little bit of portability for a thicker machine, but knowing you're going to get 10 years out of it, maybe longer, and these guys are proof, is that worth it to you? Is keeping those machines outside of the landfill, maybe doing a little bit of work under the hood every once in a while to max them out and upgrade them as upgrades come along? Is that important to you? Is that something you're interested in? Leave the comments below and let's have a great discussion about this.